protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in nearly every function of the body. It is a building block for muscles, skin, enzymes, hormones, and even the immune system. When your body lacks sufficient protein, it can lead to a range of negative health effects that can impact your overall well-being. Muscle loss and weakness. One of the most immediate effects of protein deficiency is muscle loss. The body requires protein to maintain and repair muscle tissue. When protein intake is inadequate, the body begins to break down muscle tissue to meet its protein needs. This can lead to noticeable weakness and a decrease in muscle mass, making everyday activities more challenging. Over time, this muscle wasting can contribute to frailty, particularly in older adults, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. Fatigue and low energy levels. A lack of protein can also result in fatigue and low energy levels. Protein is vital for the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Insufficient protein can lead to anemia, which is characterized by low hemoglobin levels, and can cause symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and dizziness. Additionally, without adequate protein, the body may struggle to maintain stable blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and increased feelings of tiredness. Impaired immune function. Protein is essential for the production of antibodies, which are crucial for a healthy immune response. When protein intake is low, the body may not produce enough antibodies, making it more susceptible to infections and illnesses. This can lead to an increased frequency of colds, flu, and other infections, as the immune system becomes compromised. The body's ability to heal from injuries may also be impaired, prolonging recovery times. Skin, hair, and nail changes. A deficiency in protein can manifest in noticeable changes to your skin, hair, and nails. Hair may become brittle and thin, leading to increased hair loss. The skin may lose its elasticity and develop a dull appearance, while nails can become weak, ridged, or brittle. These changes occur because the body prioritizes vital functions over the maintenance of hair, skin, and nails when protein is in short supply. Edema and swelling. Another significant effect of protein deficiency is edema, which is the swelling caused by fluid retention. Proteins, particularly albumin, help maintain the balance of fluids in the body. When protein levels are low, this balance is disrupted, leading to fluid accumulation in tissues, particularly in the legs, ankles, and abdomen. This can result in noticeable swelling and discomfort. Mood changes and mental health. Protein plays a role in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. A lack of protein can lead to imbalances in these neurotransmitters, potentially resulting in mood swings, irritability, and even depression. The brain requires adequate nutrients to function optimally, and protein is a key player in maintaining mental health. Conclusion. In summary, a lack of protein can have profound effects on your body, impacting muscle mass, energy levels, immune function, and even mental health. It is essential to consume an adequate amount of protein daily to support overall health and well-being. If you suspect you are not getting enough protein, consider consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to assess your dietary needs and make necessary adjustments. A balanced diet that includes a variety of protein sources is crucial for maintaining optimal health and preventing the adverse effects associated with protein deficiency.